Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you a Pokemon TCG Pocket free Poké Gold video. So as you can see, I got 2,900, but when I press this button, I can actually add unlimited Poké Gold. So I just turned it up all the way, so let's see if it increases, and then I'm going to show you how to get this Pokemon TCG Pocket mod. So as you can see, this is what we got. So let's see if it goes up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So here we go, guys. Where's the Poké Gold? It's not increasing, but it might work, so let's see what happens. And bang, guys, as you can see, it's going up. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this on iOS and Android so you can get unlimited Poké Gold in 2026 for your device. So the first thing we need to do is go to our browser, and we need to go to the website matrixmods.com. So on this website, you can get the Pokemon TCG modded version. So just type in Pokemon, and of course, I can't spell, but obviously, we're looking for Pokemon TCG Pocket, so go ahead and press download. Now, before this mod downloads, there's going to be a verification, so we just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from our official app store, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So it's going to load up, and it's going to say like missing files, additional files are required, so you just have to download like 2 of these apps, which are all free. So you can see we got Travel Town, which says install and reach level 9. We got TikTok, which says down and run for 30 seconds. We got MOD Casino. This one says search and install, so install the app. So these are very easy, guys. Just make sure you do 2 of them, and then you will get Pokemon TCG Pocket modded version. So I'm going to go to the search bar and just type in Pokemon just to show you guys. Also, you do not need the normal game installed. This is just the modded version. But as you can see, the in-app purchases is very expensive. So if you guys want to pay, that's up to you. But I'm not about that, so I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to get it for your device. So free Poké Golds 2026. As you can see, that's crazy. And there's also anti-ban in here, so you're not going to get banned. So this is super cool. One thing I'll say, though, is make sure you go to settings and you got low power mode off. And also go to general, go to background app refresh, make sure this is on. But other than that, you should be all set. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to get Pokemon TCG Pocket modded version for free Poké Gold. As you can see, very cool stuff. So I don't really know what apps are going to show up for you because I live in the US, but if you live somewhere else, these might be different. But yeah, just make sure you get 2 of them, guys, and you're going to be good to go. So that's how to get Pokemon TCG Pocket mod for your device. So it's super crazy, guys. Totally works. You can read about it. You can see it says this verifies access and funds the Matrix project so we can remain free. So they are obviously going to be getting money from this to keep the server alive. So that's why you have to do it. And the thing I don't get about people is you're doing this once and you're getting unlimited Poké Gold. So why would you not? Like, it doesn't make sense to me. So be sure to try it out, guys. It's super cool. But I'm going to see you guys in another video. So if you want to get unlimited Poké Gold in 2026, definitely try this out because it's super updated and everything. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yes, it's super cool. So yeah, as long as you did that verification, you should be all set. So you can see the Poké Gold right there. So yeah, I've looked into some other methods, by the way, but nothing works. So this is the only method for free Poké Gold I can actually recommend to you guys. So be sure to try it out. It's super cool. I mean, the apps aren't that hard to do. You got TikTok, down run for 30 seconds. These are easy, bro. So yeah, be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel if you want to get unlimited Poké Gold, guys. It's super cool. This totally works 2026. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, my gang. And peace out, my crew. Oh my gosh.